Well, that's a nice idea. If I can only pin Olga down for a few minutes of question and answer, we'll sort that out. But for now, it's a month in Texas, and R&R is also part of that fitness. We're off the road and came up with not an acronym, but retreat, restock, blah, 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 regroup, those kind of things. And this is how we did it. A month in Texas. We covered a lot of ground on this last trip. Thailand, India. Olga finished her dental work. We went to Mauritius and Holland, where we saw Olga's 95-year-old mom, Hetty. On to Spain, Olga's favorite. We left Portugal a month ago, and we're via Canada heading to Hawaii, but our flight's canceled, and that's how we ended up in Houston. Did somebody say hot? Olga made it out shopping and got new sandals, bathing suit, all the essentials for travel. But this was the strangest day. Apparently it's a popular thing back in the States to get a membership at a car wash, and you can go through as many times as you want in a month. And that's exactly what our sister-in-law did today, and we came along for the ride. Yeah, we've got World Cup and the USA 250th birthday celebration going on at the same time. In between games, we're enjoying good eats, trips to Starbucks, friendly conversation, friends and family, and here's the secret recipe. I think it only took about 3 minutes to go through the car wash, but it was a lifetime experience. We don't even have a car anymore. We will eventually get back to Hawaii, but for now, it's a month in Texas, and yep, today is a super car wash. Not sure we're ready to re-enter the world. Oh good, we have to wait. Guess we have to go. Okay.
Olga and Daniel.
Our pleasant journeys.
We backpack all over the world. It's an open-ended trip with many twists and turns.
Olga's the active one. I make movies and like coffee yoga. And these are
Our pleasant journeys.
Like I said, we did some shopping. Olga knows how to do that. I've been hunting for the new 2026 coins. In between the World Cup games, I found a couple of the dimes. You never know what is the next hit.
Next hit, huh? Of course, you could just go into the big hole. Here you go.
Style.
Just a little. Okay. Not my best one, but yeah.
We're not eating bread at home, so
No.
we have a bagel out at Starbucks occasionally.
Yep.
Skip the cream cheese.
Absolutely.
Add avocado spread.
It's pretty good, this one. It tastes great. Yeah.
But it's your style of spreading that I'm focusing on here.
Okay. Gotta make it sunny, you know?
There you go. Olga did manage to get to the gym. A mile there and a mile back. See lots of things on those walks, and we eat hearty when we get home. We must have watched 20 FIFA soccer matches. And of course the daily yoga sessions, this time on the patio looking out at the birds in the backyard. And you'll see Uncle Jim back by the birdhouse. He's looking at bluebird babies. They haven't, I guess they just hatched. Houston, no problems.
No.
On our way to
Where are we going?
Arizona, then San Francisco. The first day traveling in a month, and we are very chill. I'll try again in California to get Olga to talk about fitness.